Hey, fifth graders. So, new week, new skills. We're going to go over a few different things. So, we're going to start with our learning target. Okay. So, you're going to be using fractions and decimal knowledge. So, what you know about fractions and decimals to solve problems this week. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to think about decimals. Then we're going to think about fractions. And the great news is that they both have very similar definitions. Remember, a decimal is a part of a whole based on 10 parts, and then a fraction is part of a whole based on the number of parts in the denominator. So they're both parts of a whole. Now, you guys know how to multiply a whole number times a fraction. Okay, and what I want you guys to remember this week is that 4 times 1/10 would be 4/10, because remember we have that invisible little 1 under there. So we multiply our numerators and our denominators. But if we say 4/10, remember we can also write that as a decimal. Okay, so trying to remember that, think about this one. 1/10 times 1/10, 1 times 1, 10 times 10. Okay, which means 1/100th. Okay, so our first day of practice is pretty simple. We're just kind of relating our fractions and our decimals back together. Okay, see you tomorrow for another lesson.